Last year, 2024, I was unmotivated. I was unfulfilled. I was unhappy, dog. The whole year, in fact, I was unhappy because I kept doing things that did not bring me any happiness, things that did not bring me any fulfillment. And I thought they brought me happiness in that moment and that I was doing them. But in the long term and in the grand scheme of things, they left me with nothing but regret. And during this time I knew I could be better. I knew I was wasting my time. I was holding myself back with the habits I had. When I discovered monk mode, I knew it was something I had to get on. I knew it was the thing that was going to change my life. For those who don't know, monk mode is when you set a season or a period of time where you do nothing but grinding, being focused at your goals, whether it's weight loss goals or work goals. You understand? Now, my goals are a mixture of both. So that is what monk mode is. You structure your day in a routinely way that leaves no room for you to do any acts of being degenerate or acts that leave you with regret, the bad habits. You understand? Once you structure your day, it leaves no room for bad habits unless you open the gates. So I saw these creators on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook talking about self-improvement, monk mode. You understand? Being on monk mode, how monk mode changed their lives and how it could change my life. You understand? And for about 6 months last year, I've been thinking about it. Like, I should get on monk mode, and I would try. Sometimes try, fail. You understand? Once I fail, I would quit for like a long time, and then try again, fail. You understand? Then quit for a long time, try again, fail, until December, the last year, 2024, December. I was like, nah, about this year, I'm going monk mode. And if I fail, I'm gonna fail fast. I'm gonna go back at it again. You understand? So I started December. I started grinding. I grinded. I worked out every day. Did I record this video? No, I did not record this video. I started recording these videos consistently January. You understand? So by December, I was working hard. The whole December, I worked out every day, cardio, lifting, the whole month. I've never done something like that. I did it. January came. I added the videos now, recording these videos. Recorded the whole month and worked out the whole month clean. Feb came. Half of Feb, I was doing good. Worked out, recorded the videos, was consistent with the posting. But around like 4 or 5 days ago, that's when I started slacking. That's when I felt the old me come back again. Because I know once you try to be better, once you try to force yourself towards a certain direction, there are going to be forces that push you back to old ways. And that force was me. You understand? I was pushing myself to the wrong things again. Last night came to a realization that I'm failing now. For the past 3 days, I haven't worked out. For the past 3 days, I haven't worked out. I felt like I'm failing. Last night, I'm like, okay, I'm failing now. I need to get serious again. I need to get back on the horse again. I told myself that I even changed up my room. If you notice, my bed is there. I have that bed that was there by the wall now to open more space. You understand, for me. And this thing of rearranging my room helps when I walk in. It's sort of like a reminder that you are on monk mode. Yeah, but it's different now. You've ramped up things again. Past 3 days I failed. Last night, in fact, yesterday I was like, I'm switching up my room. I'm failing now. I'm gonna become better again. I did it. I switched up the room, cleaned my room. Today, woke up. Today is Sunday. I woke up today, worked out. After working out, took a bath, started recording this video. So I'm back at it again. I have failed, but I'm back at it again. You understand? I'm fighting again. After this, I'm have something I'm gonna do, and I've added more things. You understand? And I also saw what was making me slack was the working out was too much. You understand? I strained myself too much, so I'm cutting a bit on the workout. But I'm still working out every day. But I'm not working out as hard as I used to. But it's still a good workout because I was pushing it. You understand? I went in hard. But now I'm going hard, but I was I'm not I was pushing me. I was in my limit, dog. Like about the limit. I was pushing myself like that the past 3 months. 2 months, in fact. Limit, dog. And then I started slacking. Then I started losing things. Then now I'm like, okay, this is my limit. I'm just gonna go here. You understand? And stay here. Which means this is still good, but it's just not like last time. And it will make me last longer. You understand? In this monk mode season that I'm in. I feel good, man. I feel better about myself. I'm clean. I've worked out and I'm working right now. I feel good about myself. The fulfillment is coming. So I urge you guys to get into self improvement. I urge you to get into monk mode. It's not gonna be easy. Trust me, it's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. You know, life is hard when you have failed and yo, when I say it like that, but I don't mean it like that. But you know, when you've not done well for yourself and you regret it, like if only I used this time I had to better myself. You know, when you're at that point, that's hard. You understand? It's hard being there. It's not easy being there. Your mind telling you those things that I wish I had. If only I had. That's hard. And also like trying, waking up every day at 6 a.m. to work out. It's also hard. And so both things are hard. So you just have to choose your heart. And I've chose my heart, which is I rather suffer going towards the goal than just suffer trying to find fun or just to have a laugh or be comfortable. No, I would because I think that's harder than because it's hard now. It's gonna be easier later. With this one that I was 2024, it was easy now but harder later. So choose your heart. Take from my story and try to better your life, guys. It is the best thing you could do for yourself in 2025. Peace.